What's up, traders? It's Mark here coming at you with Friday's trading recap. And what a bloodbath we had in the market today, guys. All right. Now I'm going to walk you through my thought process on why I took this perfect retracement trade on the S&P 500 today. Just a beautiful textbook retracement pattern, ran for a really nice winner. But let's talk about the bigger picture, guys, and what's going on in the world, right? We had a major bank failure today. The FDIC took control of a bank called Silicon Valley Bank, which is a San Francisco area bank that specializes in doing loans, I guess, to the tech sector. And obviously the tech sector is not doing real well. And the management of that bank, okay, Silicon Valley Bank, are just complete morons. Just complete morons when it came to managing their risk, okay? And the conclusion that I kind of drew from this story is there's a lot of people out there that simply don't know how to manage your risk. And I talk about risk management all the time, okay? You have to get good at managing your risk in order to make money. And the fact that in this world that we live in, especially in the United States of America, there was a major bank failure. I mean, these people had almost $200 billion in customer deposits, right? That's not a small bank. That's a massive, huge, like enormous bank, right? Anyway, so obviously that news completely spooked investors. Everybody wanted to head for the exits at the exact same time today, and that caused an absolute bloodbath in the S&P 500. And I feel like I was super fortunate today to be able to be at the computer because I didn't really trust this up move here. Can you guys see how our volume indicator nailed a trend change to the upside here, right? This came, a little bit in the morning. I didn't feel like I trusted this move. You know what I mean? There was so much chaos and pandemonium and just bizarre things happening in the country right now. I felt like this was just a fake out move. I felt like this trend change here, even though it worked, all right, I'm sure some of you guys took this long, I didn't trust it. Okay, I was waiting for this market to just turn over again, and boy, was I handsomely rewarded for my patience, okay? So for those of you guys that don't know, this green and red color band is our proprietary volume indicator color band. It does a fantastic job of telling you who's in control and what is the prevailing trend at any moment in time. In other words, when it's green, the buyers are in control, and there's a better chance than not of the market going up, as it did. And of course, when it turns red, it tells you that the sellers are in control and that there's a better chance than not of the market going down. And boy, did it go down today, right? But as you guys and gals know, okay, I just love these retracement patterns. I believe in them. They have been very consistent for me and all of my customers, and it's just a very effective way for me to manage my risk, okay? Now, some of you guys might still be wondering, hey, Mark, what is a retracement pattern? Well, let me educate you on one of the best trades you've missed this week. This was textbook, okay? A retracement pattern means that the market's got to do three things. Number one, it's got to establish a direction, okay? That happens on this band color change, okay? You see here how it turned from green to red? Okay, great, that happened right there. We then want to see some downward momentum, okay, but then we want to see a couple of green bars. We want to see the market come right back to us, give us a much better fill, okay? And then, of course, yep, you guessed it, we are looking for a color match. I want to see a red bar close against or on top of the band, but the high of that bar's got to be above the band. That is what makes this setup right here, guys and gals, the perfect setup you're ever going to see. All right, guys and gals. And so if this is our signal bar, then what I would look to do is go short on the open of the next bar. I would place my potential stop loss location 1 or 2 ticks or pips above this bar's high, and I just want to see what happens after that. And this market just tanked. I mean, the S&P dropped about 250 ticks in like 90 minutes. And so yes, this was another trade of the century. I feel like these moves are happening everywhere you look, guys and gals. Again, congrats to all you guys who were able to stick around and you didn't go on lunch or anything. If you stuck around, then I know you caught this beautiful textbook retracement, right? And even now, look at this. It turned green, okay? Even now, we're getting a couple of like retracements. But again, I just don't know if I trust it. You know, I just feel like it's too close to the market close. The big move of the day has already happened, and listen guys, this is how I look at it, right? If you're fortunate enough to be one of the few people who made money trading today, if you were educated, if you had a professional approach and you used any kind of retracement, all right, then you probably bagged a nice profit today. And so don't give those profits back. Don't be dumb and, try to chase every single trade. You can if you want to, and for all I know, this, bullish green signal here and this pullback, maybe it rips for 50 handles. I have no idea. I don't want to be a part of it, right? I've made my money for the day. It's time to go enjoy a beautiful weekend. Once again, congrats to all you guys who crushed it today. This was a trade that was, frankly speaking, very unexpected, but I'm glad it took place. And let's see what this indicator is going to do for us next week, because I know this market's going to continue these moves next week. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.